Imagine living your entire life thinking you're in control. Your choices, your future, your truth, only to realize at the very end you missed something huge. That's the emotional core of Surah Al-Jathiyah. It's a wake-up call. Not aggressive, not chaotic, just deeply real. It asks one big question. What happens when people ignore clear truth, even when it's right in front of them? The surah starts by pointing to the world around us. The sky, the earth, the cycles of life. It's basically saying, look around, this isn't random. The rain that falls, the way day and night alternate, the way life keeps renewing itself. These aren't just background visuals, they're signs. But here's the twist. Not everyone sees them the same way. Some people look at the world and feel awe. Others look at the exact same things and feel nothing. It's like two people watching the same movie. One is moved and the other one is bored. The surah challenges that numbness. It's like, how many signs do you need before you start paying attention? Then it gets a little deeper, and honestly, a little uncomfortable. It starts talking about people who don't just ignore truth, they actively reject it. Not because they don't understand, but because they don't want to. Why? Ego. There's a powerful idea here. Some people make their own desires their own God. Not literally worshipping something, but living like their feelings and wants are the ultimate authority. If something feels good, they follow it. If something challenges them, they reject it. And the scary part, over time, that mindset can blind you, not physically, but mentally and spiritually. You stop recognizing truth even when it's obvious. It's like ignoring notifications for so long that you stop checking your phone altogether. Except this is about your actual purpose in life.
Now, the surah shifts tone. It brings us to a scene, the day of judgment. Everyone is gathered, every group is on its knees, humbled, waiting. Why knees? Because it's a position of vulnerability. No arrogance left, no pretending, just reality. And then comes the moment. Every person is shown what they did in their life. Not what they said they were about, not what they posted or claimed, but what they actually did. And then there's this intense realization. Nothing was missed. Every choice mattered. For people who believed and tried to do good, this is a moment of relief and reward. But for those who ignored the truth, it's regret. Heavy regret. They're told, in essence, you warned, you saw the signs, you just didn't take them seriously. Another theme hits hard here. Some people live like this. Life is all there is. No afterlife, no accountability, just vibes and survival. The surah challenges that mindset directly. It's like asking, if you really believe this is all there is, then what's the point of justice, of meaning, of right and wrong? Because in this world, not everything balances out. Good people suffer, bad people sometimes win. So if there's no bigger picture, does anything truly matter? The surah says no, there is a bigger picture, and ignoring it does not make it disappear. So what does this all mean for us right now? It's not just about ancient people or abstract ideas, it's personal. We all have moments where we ignore what we know is right. We all have times when ego wins. We all get distracted. But Surah Al-Jathiyah is like a reset button. It's reminding us, pay attention to the signs around you. Don't let your desires control your decisions. Remember that your actions matter. And don't wait until it's too late to care, because one day clarity will hit everyone. The only difference is when. If there's one takeaway from this surah, it's this. Truth isn't hidden, it's just often ignored. And the real question isn't whether the signs exist, it's whether we're willing to see them. So instead of waiting for a moment of regret, the surah invites us to act now, to reflect, to adjust, and to live with awareness. Because in the end, it's not about knowing the truth, it's about what you do to it.